Hi, hello, welcome back to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics. We are in a revision schedule of most expected questions in mathematics. In today's session, we are going to take a new chapter, that is quadratic equations. You can see 4 headings on board and same equation. Yes, can you see? What is this? In this chapter, we can expect 4 or 5 varieties of problems. That is, they will give you a equation. Solve if they say any one of the method of your own choice. Suppose if they specify you, solve the quadratic equation by using factorization method. You need to go with that method. Formula method means this method. Completing square, this method. And what are the nature of the roots means last. Right? So one more variety there. I am going to explain later. First let us discuss this all. I have taken one common example. In any method you solve, you are going to get the same answer. First, very known method, that is factorization method. Solve this equation, x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. How can we do this in factorization method? Do you remember? See here, x square coefficient, what you can see here? 1. And here it is 2. These two numbers multiply. 1 into 2, that will be 2. Find the factors such a way if you add or subtract, you should get 3. Where do you get 2 children? In 2 table. 2 ones are 2. If I add the two numbers, 2 plus 1, it will be 3. So in this way, multiply the corner numbers and write it here plus 2. Okay? And take the factors in such a way that factors, if you add or subtract, you should get the middle number. Now, x square, this 3x, instead of this, you need to write with these two numbers. Plus 2x plus 1x is nothing but x plus 2 equal to 0. Among these two terms, x is common. Take out x plus 2, and among these two, nothing is common. Nothing is common means you can take 1. 1 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Now among these two sets again, x plus 2 is common. Take out x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. Transpose this to other side, x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 1. So therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are minus 2 and minus 1. Okay. Now, any equation, suppose if you are unable to do the factorization method, no factors, you are not getting any factors. That type of equations also we can solve by using formula method. In this method, how we are going to solve this? Compare the given equation, compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation. Please write these all statements here. Compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form of the equation. What is standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare and write a value. A equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 2. This is formula method and the formula is x is equal to, observe the variable here children, x. Sometimes your equation may be along with a or p. So at that time, instead of x, you need to write that letter. But actual formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. By 2a. X is equal to minus b. B value is 3. So as it is, you write minus 3 plus or minus square root of b value is 3, 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1 into c value is 2. This dot indicates into by 2 into 1. Or you can take with the brackets also, you can take. Anyway, you can write this. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 into 1, 8. Whole divided by 2 into 1 is 2. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8 is 1 root 1 by 2. Root 1 value is 1 itself. Minus 3 plus or minus 1 by 2. Now continue this here. X is equal to plus or minus you have. One set you take with plus, another set you take with minus. X is equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 2 or x is equal to minus 3 minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 by 2 or minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 by 2. That is 2 1s are 2. X is equal to minus 1. 2 2s are 4. X is equal to minus 2. Check the answer what you got in factorization method. Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1. Both you got same answer, right? Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation by formula method, what you got answers? X is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 2. Now the same quadratic equation, we are going to find the roots by using completing square method. So, when you are doing a completing square method, you need to remember some steps. What are those steps? First step, observe x square coefficient. Is it 1? Continue next step. If not 1, any number there, with that number first divide the equation. Okay, what is your first step? Observe x square coefficient. Is it 1? Yes, it is 1. If not 1, any other number there, what you need to do? Divide. Suppose you have here 2, right? Divide by 2, by 2, by 2 you do. Split that denominator for 3 terms. Right? If any number there, with that number, divide the 3 terms. If it is 1, then go to the second step. Coefficient of x square must be 1. Coefficient of x square must be 1. Second step. What is x coefficient? What is x coefficient? 3, right? Don't consider sign. Only number you say, that is 3. Second step, observe x coefficient and write that number here. Third step, multiply with half. 3 into 1 by 2. Fourth step, do whole square. This is 3 by 2, do whole square. This I need in order to do in this method. What is that? First, observe x square coefficient. Is it 1? If it is 1, go to the second step. What is that? Find the x coefficient. What do you have? 3. Multiply for this 1 by 2. Do whole square. That is 3 by 2 whole square. See, this set, it is very important, children. That 3 by 2 whole square is very important. Now, in order to proceed this problem, look here carefully. X square plus 3x plus add and subtract 3 by 2 whole square. Add and subtract 3 by 2 whole square. This constant number move aside and do addition first. Next, subtraction. Now write the constant. Okay, x square plus 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 2 equal to 0. Now, if you see, these will become a formula. Which formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Suppose if you have a negative sign here, we need to write a minus b whole square. If you want, you can check it out. X plus 3 by 2 whole square, that is nothing but x square plus 2 into x into 3ab plus b square. X square, 2 will be cancelled, plus 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square. Observe that, children, is it correct? Yes. Without doing that, you can directly say first 3 terms will make a formula. That is, this will be a and this will be b. A plus b whole square, x plus 3 by 2 whole square. And send these two numbers that side. Minus 3 by 2 whole square, it becomes plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 2. X plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. 9 by 4 minus 2. X plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to LCM 9 minus 8 by 4. And this will be x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 9 minus 8 is 1 by 4. Now this whole square, send other side, it will be applied square root. X plus 3 by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 by 4. In quadratic equation, when you are applying a square root, compulsory you should remember plus or minus. Next, x plus 3 by 2 is equal to plus or minus. Remove this root. Root 1 is 1. Root 4 is 2. X is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus or minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 plus or minus 1 by 2. Continue the problem here. X is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Or x is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. X is equal to LCM minus 3 plus 1 by 2 or x is equal to minus 3 minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 by 2 and here minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 by 2. 2 ones, 2 2s. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 2. With the box, you need to end up this answer. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are minus 1 or minus 2. If you understand all these 3 methods, you can solve any quadratic equation easily. But be careful with the negative sign. Right? If you understand these 3, take the homework and solve these problems in all the 3 methods. Right? See the first problem. X square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. X square minus 3x equal to 0. Here constant is not there. That means its value is 0. Third one. 2x square minus 5x is equal to minus 3 there. That minus 3 transpose other side, equate it to 0 and then solve. Okay. Next one, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Solve all these 4 problems as a homework. Next, I am going to discuss the nature of roots. From this chapter, we can expect one MCQ or one word question among 3 topics. What is that first topic? Write the standard form of a quadratic equation. So, immediately you remember ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is only standard form. Right? No. Still you need to write something. What is that? Put a comma where a cannot be equal to 0. This condition also you need to write. If a becomes 0, what happens? Then that quadratic equation becomes linear equation. So therefore, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a cannot be equal to 0. And your next question, what is the value of a discriminant? What is discriminant value? Discriminant is represented by either delta or capital D. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. This is one question they may ask. And next, what is the nature of the roots? If discriminant is equal to 0, is more than 0, is less than 0. Look here, nature. If D is equal to 0, what you are going to write? There are two real and equal roots you need to write. There are two real and equal roots. What is the nature? If discriminant is 0, there are two real and equal roots. Suppose if discriminant is less than 0. Less than 0 means if you get a discriminant value negative. Negative means what you are going to say? There are no real roots. No real roots are there. Right? And the last one, if discriminant is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it may be 1, 2, 3, any number. Suppose if you get discriminant greater than 0, what is the nature? There are two real and distinct roots. Real and distinct roots. Among these, we may expect one bit or one word question. Right? Let's move to the nature of the roots for the given quadratic equation x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Nature. How we are going to get the nature of roots? You remember discriminant. First, compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Write A value, B value, C value. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 2. When we are finding nature, we need to write the discriminant. Capital D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Substitute these values. B value is 3 whole square minus 4 into A value 1, C value 2. 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Discriminant is equal to 1. Discriminant 1, that means what you need to say here, which one? Discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, there are two real and distinct roots. What are the two roots? Do you remember? Before method we had solved same problem. -2, -1. That means the two roots are different. So here directly we can find discriminant value and we can guess the answer. That is, therefore, the nature of the roots. Therefore, nature of roots of the given quadratic equation are two real and distinct roots. Two real and distinct. Like this, if you have any equation, compare with the standard form of the quadratic equation, write A, B, C and find the discriminant value. What you are going to get? If you get 0, say two real and equal. If you get less than 0, there are no real roots. If greater than 0, two real and distinct roots. One bit is compulsory and we may expect one problem also in nature. Right? Let's see the next problem. Find the value of k. Find the value of k for quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus k equal to 0 if the roots are equal. Understand the question here. There is a quadratic equation given. What is that? Given x square minus 4x plus k equal to 0. Right? And find the value of this k. The roots are equal. The roots are equal. Roots are equal means what you can say? Discriminant equal to 0. Given equation, compare with the standard form first. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Write A value 1, B value minus 4, C value is k. Given roots are equal. Roots are equal means discriminant equal to 0. that is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Right? Discriminant is equal to 0. Discriminant value is b square minus 4ac. Substitute in b plus minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is k equal to 0. Minus 4 whole square, 4 4s are 16, minus into minus plus. 4 into 1, 4, 4 into k, 4k. Minus 4k equal to 0. Minus 4k is equal to, transpose the 16 other side, 0 minus 16 will be minus 16. Minus cancel. K is equal to 16 by 4. 4 4s are 16. Therefore, k is equal to 4 is your answer. Right? We can expect this type of question also. Understand these problems and solve the homework problems carefully. Definitely you are going to score good marks from this chapter. And there will be verbal problems which is very important from this chapter. Verbal problem, you need to understand the problem carefully and try to frame the equations. Once if your equation is ready, you can solve that equation in any one of the method. Right? Do practice carefully. With this, I am going to end my session. In our next session, we are going to continue with the next topic. Until then, keep watching. Thank you all.